Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the lattice and bar stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4 plus 2. I have already made 26 chains on my hook. To start row 1, you're going to make 1 double crochet into the 10th chain from your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Skip 3 chains. Into the next chain, make a double crochet. Make 3 chains. Skip 3 chains. Into the next chain, make a double crochet. Make 3 chains. Skip 3 chains. Into the next chain, make a double crochet. Make 3 chains. Skip 3 chains. Into this last chain of your row, make a double crochet. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 5 chains. You're going to skip over the first stitch in your row, and you're going to make a single crochet into this open space from this previous chain 3. Make 2 chains, then make a double crochet in this next double crochet. Make 2 chains, make a single crochet into this next open space. Make 2 chains, make a double crochet in the next previous double crochet. Make 2 chains, make a single crochet into the next open space. Make 2 chains, make a double crochet into the next previous double crochet. Make 2 chains, make a single crochet into the next open space. Make 2 chains, make a double crochet into this next previous double crochet. Make 2 chains, single crochet into this next open space. Make 2 chains. When you get to the last open space of your row, you're going to be working a double crochet into the tops of these chains from your last row to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 6 chains. So we're going to skip everything from our last row until you get to this previous double crochet. Make a double crochet into that previous one. We're now going to start making a similar sequence to our first row. Make 3 chains. Skip to the next double crochet. You're going to skip all of this. Make a double crochet into that previous double crochet. Make 3 chains. Skip to the next double crochet and make a double crochet into that one. Make 3 chains. Skip to the next double crochet, make a double crochet into that stitch. Make 3 chains. When you get to the end of your row, skip until you have the last chains of your row. Make a double crochet into the last chains of your row to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. That is going to be how to make the lattice and bar stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.